welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new. Today is going to be a collab video and I want to thank the host, Tiffany from Small Town 6. I will link her channel in the description along with the playlist of all the other amazing ladies that is in this collab. Today I am going to be decluttering my homeschool corner. And most of you already know it's in my kitchen and it is a hot mess. It definitely needs to be done. I apologize for sitting in my bedroom right now while I make this. It is the only quiet place in my house right now. So that's why we're here. But again, I just want to say thank you to Tiffany for letting me be a part of this. And I hope you guys really enjoy this video. Alright, let's get into cleaning and decluttering. First, I just want to show you guys a picture of what it looks like. I forgot to record that part first. It is a hot mess. There's so much stuff that we don't even use anymore in there that I need to put up for my son. But we're going to get it done. And we're going to see, hopefully it looks good at the end. So let's get into it.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Okay, so I got the shelf cleared off, but now I am feeling overwhelmed because I still have this mess to tackle and this. That's a bag of random homeschooling stuff. But I'm going to have to go through it all because I'm probably not going to get rid of some of it because even though some of it's too little for my girls now, I'm going to be starting homeschooling with my son next year, so he's going to need some of it. But, like the human body game, my girls have mastered it already. It's a good game, though, so I'm going to save it for my son. And same thing with a lot of the books. It's just a lot to go through, but I'm going to just keep all of the stuff that we're using this year over here. I decided I'm going to move my microwave to over by my coffee pot. That's a bowl of different kind of cat foods, isn't it? Yeah. Random. But now I'm going to start moving all of this stuff so I can have everything just cleared before I start going through stuff. Because at the moment, I have no room to do anything. So, that's what we're going to do now. I'm going to clean off all of this area, put it somewhere just so I can start going through everything. So, alright, let's get back to it.
As we go, I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see later, dear, for many of us. I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know trust you when you say that beauty lives in me It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care. I'm in for the fight. But I know that beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say
mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. You and I know when we are too far apart, everything just falls apart. So I just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and
Okay, so this is the stuff I'm going to keep in here. This is like their books they use weekly, daily or weekly. This is a couple games my youngest daughter likes to play. She also needs to learn how to do the clock. So that. Math games for my oldest daughter. They're binders that I put everything in, which I need to get that set up for next week. And our encyclopedia. Dictionary, whatever you want to call it. And the flashcards, those are staying too. Our journals, and then this is just my stuff. It's my journal, my planner, my YouTube planner. What else is down there? And my budget binder. So that is everything that we are going to attempt to fit back in here. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with this shelf. I think that's just where I'm going to keep. I don't want to keep my paint in the house anymore. I don't even know why it's back in the house. But I think I'm going to keep my computer there. And then our pens, easy paper for the kids to get to, stuff like that. I don't know yet. We'll have to see. But I'm going to get back into it.
Doubt we will find a way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about that.
Okay, guys. I know this is not the best YouTube organization video, but it works for me for now. I don't have any like tubs or anything like that I could use. I just had what I had. So this container right here, this is my box. It has my index cards. It has my sticky notes. It has my pens to mark the papers, dry eraser markers, whiteout, stuff like that. The kids do use a lot of Play-Doh throughout the day, and so I wanted to keep that close to the kitchen table. My computer, we're currently learning sign language, or trying to, because I'm also learning it with them. So I figured I'd just put that there so we can just look over if we need to. Our sharpener, this is our electronic box. It has the kids' switches, tablets, phones, stuff like that. So to this area. We use the big paper a lot. We use our whiteboard a lot, so I want to keep that close. The front row is stuff that we do every day. The kids' journals, my Bible, the kids' Bible. That's our first thing we do. Right now we are reading a Michigan Chiller book as a class, and next is going to be Old Yeller, so I wanted to keep those close. These are books they work in every single day. These are books they work in every week at least, so I want to keep those close. Our dictionary, the binders they use every day, and then this section right here, this is just my stuff. And it's not necessarily homeschooling. It has my YouTube planner, it has my weight loss planner, it has my budget binder, it has just stuff that I need. So down here we have a couple games that I kept. I am keeping the paint there for now. I don't know where else to put it. It's too cold outside. That's where I was keeping it, on our indoor porch, but it will freeze. This one has the index cards and extra pencils in those cases. 2 more games, and then we have my son's game and our what are these called? Our poster boards. We use those a lot, but I just take them out when I need them, so that's what we do. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you guys go in the description box below so you guys can check out all of the amazing ladies that are in this collab with me, and also check out Small Town 6. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some decluttering motivation. I will see you guys in the next video.